Do you ever wonder why you feel so tired, even when you've technically had enough sleep or didn't do anything overly exhausting? The truth is, energy doesn't just get drained from big tasks like work or exercise. Often, it's the little, everyday habits that secretly eat away at your energy reserves, without you even noticing. These habits seem harmless, but over time they leave you feeling sluggish, unmotivated, and drained. In today's video, we'll uncover 10 common daily habits that secretly steal your energy, explain why they have such a big impact, and share how you can break free from them to start feeling more energized, focused, and alive every single day. Let's get started. 1. Checking your phone. First thing in the morning. It might feel harmless to grab your phone as soon as you wake up, but this habit can instantly drain your mental energy. Scrolling through notifications, emails, or social media overloads your brain before it's even had a chance to fully wake up. Instead of starting your day calmly, you're hit with information, comparisons, or even stress from work messages. This immediately puts your brain into reactive mode, leaving you more distracted and less productive throughout the day. Instead of reaching for your phone, give yourself the first 20 to 30 minutes of the morning tech-free. Hydrate, stretch, or plan your day. You'll be surprised how much calmer and more energized your mornings feel when you start them on your terms, not your phone's. 2. Skipping breakfast or eating a sugary one. Your body needs fuel to function, and breakfast sets the tone for your energy levels. Skipping it can make you sluggish, irritable, and unfocused. On the other hand, starting your day with a sugary breakfast like pastries or sugary cereals might give you a quick energy spike, but it's always followed by a crash. This roller coaster of blood sugar highs and lows drains your energy faster than you think. Aim for a balanced breakfast with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Think eggs with whole grain toast, oatmeal with nuts, or a smoothie packed with fruits and greens. The key is steady, lasting fuel, not a quick sugar rush. 3. Overconsumption of caffeine coffee might feel like your best friend, but too much of it can actually drain your energy instead of boosting it. While caffeine gives you a short-term lift, overuse leads to jitters, dehydration, and dependency. Eventually, it messes with your natural sleep cycle, leaving you feeling more tired the next day. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 cups of coffee earlier in the day. After that, switch to water, herbal teas, or even a short walk to refresh your mind. Energy from natural movement and hydration lasts longer than a 3rd or 4th cup of coffee ever will. 4. Sitting for long periods without movement. Whether you're working at a desk, watching TV, or scrolling on your phone, long hours of sitting actually drain your energy. When your body stays inactive, blood circulation slows, oxygen intake decreases, and your muscles become stiff, all of which make you feel more fatigued. Incorporate small movement breaks every hour. Stand up, stretch, or take a short walk. Even 2 to 3 minutes of movement can recharge your body and mind. Think of it like hitting the refresh button on your energy levels. 5. Constant multitasking. We often think multitasking makes us more productive, but it actually does the opposite. Splitting your attention between tasks drains your mental energy because your brain is forced to keep switching gears. The result? You get less done, feel more stressed, and end up mentally exhausted. Practice single tasking. Give your full focus to one thing at a time, and you'll not only finish faster, but also feel less drained in the process. Try the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break, to keep energy and productivity steady. 6. Neglecting hydration. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, poor concentration, and mood swings. Many people mistake thirst for hunger or simply ignore it, and the result is drained energy throughout the day. Keep a water bottle nearby and make hydration a habit. A simple trick is to drink a glass of water every time you transition between tasks. This keeps your body refreshed and your energy consistent. 7. Negative self-talk. Your thoughts directly impact your energy. Constantly criticizing yourself, replaying mistakes, or doubting your abilities drains mental energy faster than almost anything else. Negative self-talk doesn't just affect your mood, it makes even small tasks feel heavier and more exhausting. Start practicing self-awareness. When you catch yourself being negative, pause and reframe the thought. Instead of, "I can't handle this," say, "This is tough, but I'll figure it out." Over time, replacing negativity with constructive self-talk helps preserve your energy and boost confidence. 8. Cluttered environment. Messy spaces create mental clutter. Every item in your surroundings competes for your brain's attention, even subconsciously. That's why working in a cluttered environment often feels more tiring and less productive. Take a few minutes each day to tidy up your workspace or living area. A clean, organized environment creates mental clarity, helping you feel more energized and focused. 9. Not getting enough. Natural light. Spending all day indoors under artificial lighting can throw off your body's natural rhythms. Sunlight regulates your circadian rhythm, which affects your sleep, mood, and energy. Without enough exposure, you might feel tired even if you've slept for 8 hours. Try to get at least 15 to 30 minutes of natural sunlight daily, especially in the morning. Open your curtains, step outside for a short walk, or work near a window. Your body will thank you with better energy and focus. 10. Saying yes. Too often. Every time you say yes to something you don't really want to do, you're spending your energy reserves on activities that don't serve you. People-pleasing might feel polite in the moment, but it leads to overwhelm, stress, and burnout. Learn to protect your time and energy by setting boundaries. It's okay to say no when something doesn't align with your priorities. Think of your energy as a limited resource. You get to choose where it goes. The surprising part is, most of them are small, everyday things we barely think about. But once you start paying attention, you realize just how much they impact your mood, focus, and overall vitality. The good news? You don't have to change everything overnight. Start by tackling 1 or 2 of these habits and gradually work your way through the list. Each small change adds up, and before you know it, you'll feel lighter, more focused, and full of energy. Now it's your turn. Which of these habits do you struggle with the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your best, most energized life.